Hi everyone, welcome to the second QBO Tips of 2020. With the extended tax season, we're well into the year and there are plenty of people who are just a little bit behind. I know I am. With that in mind, we're looking at organizing those receipts in QBO today. Let's jump right into the test company and dig right in. Okay, so we're here in the test company on the receipt screen. There are a couple of ways to get here. First, from the left nav bar, if you go to banking and then down to receipts, or if you're already in the banking center, you can just click on the receipts tab here. Just reminding you that it may say transactions if you are using the business view instead of the accountant's view. The easiest way to get your receipts to populate down here to process them is to use this Snap-on mobile. It's right like it says. You download the mobile app, you can take a picture, it goes right into receipts, you process it from here if you want. Because we're talking about cleaning things up, I'm going to assume that you have things already either sitting in an email or somewhere on your computer at home that you need to get into QuickBooks. If you have it just sitting on your computer, you can easily drag and drop. Pretty simple there. If you have emailed receipt, you can set up a custom email here to forward it on to. Once it's forwarded on, it will populate down here. Now I wish I could show you the rest of it in person, live, but the test company doesn't have that functionality to it. But you will see summary data from the receipts. Here's the transaction date, who you paid, how much you paid it for. It works largely like your bank feed screens do. It will suggest a match if there is a transaction that may match it. You can add something under the action column just like a bank feed will. That way you get everything added or matched as needed, and what you end up with, the end result, is that you have an attachment on the transaction so that your receipt is right there with the transaction. As an example, if I go to my credit card expense here, you will see that I have an attachment down here. So that's what they'll show up as. And then if you click the link, it will open, or you have the chance to re-download that. So it's great for accountants here who want to see receipts. So I hope that helps you guys out. Thanks so much for watching.